You have to dream before your dreams can come true. A dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. We should not give up and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. I was willing to accept what I couldn't change. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. Don't take rest after your first victory because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. I'm not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help because beauty is required in the heart, not in the face. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Excellence happens not by accident, it is a process. Winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. Two rules for a peaceful life. Depression in failure should never go to the heart, and ego in success should never go to the brain. Luxury and lies have huge maintenance costs, but truth and simplicity are self-maintained without any cost. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. If you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning. Creativity is seeing the same thing but thinking differently. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. If you salute your duty, you no need to salute anybody. But if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. Never be a prisoner of your past. It was just a lesson, not a life sentence. Empty pocket teaches you a million things in life, but a full pocket spoils you in a million ways. Thinking should become your capital asset, no matter whatever ups and downs you come across in your life. When our signature changes to autograph, this marks success. Small aim is a crime. Have great aim. Science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We should not distort it. Love your job, but don't love your company because you may not know when your company stops loving you. If we are not free, no one will respect us. Poetry comes from the highest happiness or the deepest sorrow.